Everyone, welcome to the Trading for Beginners. After this video, you will learn how you can use investing.com for cryptocurrency exchange. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, dive into your default web browser and in the above search bar, you can just type in investing.com. This will lead you to the official web page of investing.com, and here in the market, and to use investing.com for cryptocurrency exchange, you can just click on the market option available here and click on the cryptocurrency. So take few minutes to get loaded as per your ISP. After this page get opened, you can learn about any of the cryptocurrency you ever wanted to know, or you can buy, sell or trade the cryptocurrency you want to. That's it for today, guys. Hopefully this video helped you to use investing.com for cryptocurrency. We will bring further more content about investing and trading, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries can be dropped in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, have a great time.